Airalo Jamaica eSIM pricing explained what you get for your money. Airalo Jamaica eSIM isn't just a SIM card. You won't believe how convenient it is for travellers. Most people get this wrong by assuming it requires a physical card, but the surprising truth is you can activate it digitally on your phone in minutes. Pricing depends on data allowance. Small plan with OPT for 7 days costs around, while larger plans like OPT for 30 days can go up to. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to local roaming, but eSIMs save money, eliminate swapping SIM cards, and provide instant connectivity on arrival. Airalo supports multiple carriers in Jamaica, ensuring good coverage. You won't believe how fast setup is. Simply scan a QR code, select your plan and start using data immediately. Some plans also include voice and SIMs features, though most travellers primarily use data. In conclusion, Airalo Jamaica eSIM pricing is affordable and flexible for all types of travellers. Understanding data needs and trip length helps you choose the right plan, providing convenience and connectivity without the hassle of traditional SIM cards. Airalo isn't just a SIM, it's a smarter way to stay connected abroad.